Hello and welcome back to another iNick video. Today I'm going to tell you why you should not do the TikTok trend, make your font. Now there is a TikTok trend going on right now where everyone's saying, oh, you can make your font and text it in messages. And I'm going to tell you why you shouldn't do that. So I've tried many apps, 4 to be exact, on font makers. They're all different. And I put my own handwriting into their font. And they're all the same, basically. And I'm going to tell you why you shouldn't do this. The first reason is because when we go into the app over here, we have our font, but we can only type it in here. If we want to bring it over to iMessage, we have to pay. This app, I think, is like $3 weekly. So if you're up to paying, that's your choice or not. So that could be the first reason why not to use these type of apps. The second reason is if you do pay to use this in iMessage, you have to enable full access to this keyboard. So basically what that means is when you go into general and you press keyboards again, and you can add new keyboards, right? And here are all the different languages that you can add, but you add the font maker, right? It won't let you use iMessages with your font unless you pay and you allow full access. And what the full access does is they can basically read whatever you text. So if you use the font to send an address or credit card information, they can read that. So these are reasons why you shouldn't be using these apps. Now, you can always, if you want to still pay and you really want your font, I would highly recommend not sending any personal information using these fonts and using just the Apple keyboard to send that if you have to. So that's just kind of a heads up because I really wanted to show you guys a video on how to get your font onto your iPad, iPhone, all that stuff. But then I found out there's actually a problem and that they could be stealing all your data and all that stuff. So instead, I'm making this type of video. So it's just a very short video for today. Our goal is 300 subscribers by the end of 2022, so I really hope we get that. Have a good day. Leave a like and subscribe.